Hi guys, recently I made this rose cake and I wanted to share with you how I made these roses with a rose cutter. It is a quicker process than making a rose by joining petal by petal. Rose cutter comes in a set of 3 different sizes. For each size, I used light to dark shade of pink and used dye rose powder, also called as CMC powder, for making the drying process quicker. Roll the fondant thin without tearing or ripping it. Sprinkle corn flour to avoid sticking. Now cut with the smallest size cutter. This green board is called fondant pad for flower modeling, and this ball tool is used to thin out the flower petals like so. Brush the middle part with glue or just plain water and then fold it into 2. Also glue at the bottom part. Now start curling like so from one end, keeping the glue part facing inside. Open the petals a bit and carefully keep it aside. For the next layer, take another shade of fondant and the medium cutter this time. Repeat the same process and now add this part to the already made rose. Pinch on some of the petals. Use the biggest rose cutter for the last layer. Repeat the same process. Glue in the middle, then fold into 2 halves. Glue on the inner side and now add this part to the already made rose. Real roses have darker shade inside and lighter shade outside. Well, I really don't know what were I thinking while making it inside out. Cut the excess from the bottom. Well, I think those pretty flowers made the cake look gorgeous. What do you think?